All right, let's make a spooky wreath sign. This is the design in Illustrator. Magic button is ready to go. Okay, now that we have these painted, we're gonna put them together. So I am just going to decide where this looks right and eyeball the first word here. I use DAP Rapid Fuse Glue, wood adhesive here. Now, here's a little trick I like to do when you have little pieces like these, you're not sure where exactly they need to go. I used a little bit of twine on each side and just tied it to the wreath where I wanted it. Sometimes I'll come up and loop it through here, but this was just too big. It wasn't gonna loop that way. So I just tied it right to the wreath itself. And we have a few more finishing touches and then we'll have our little wall done.